kitchen. And today we're going to be preparing something so delicious. It's called the egg, avocado, and olive salad. I hope you enjoy it and give it a try. The ingredients are really easy. So we have 1 avocado, 4 boiled eggs, washed and peeled. We have olives. You can use any olives, but I just happen to have the green olives. We have Italian spicing, salt. You need to toast the bread. So we have 4 slices here, olive oil and pepper. And that is it. So first we need to cut the avocado like so. Scoop the avocado in this dish. And now we're gonna go ahead with the eggs. What we're gonna do, we're simply gonna cut the eggs like so. So now that we have cut the avocado, we're starting to add the eggs. Now we're gonna be cutting the olives. These particular olives have the pits in them, so carefully just cut them. And basically, this is the hardest part. Slice them like so and add them to the salad. And now that we've added our olives, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Salt is to taste, some Italian seasoning. And that's again to taste. And olive oil of your choice. Oops. And we'll combine everything together. Okay, so now that we mixed all the ingredients, we take a spoonful and we'll put it on the bread and we spread it. Can't wait to take a bite of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Make it look pretty. Let's try. This is fantastic. It is so delicious, you guys. You guys have to try this. This is so yummy. The olives in it, it's a special ingredient that makes it taste something so unique. Please click on that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below.